Welcome back to the channel, and we're going to kickstart this year with a remap on my Mk5 Golf GTI. Right, so I finally mapped my Mk5 Golf GTI. It's on a stage 1, pushing 200, and there's that 270 brake horsepower, 350 newton meters of torque. Right, so I've got the pops and bangs coded in. It is so fun to drive. The car handles the power exceptionally, and it has changed the way the car feels now to drive. It's a lot more quicker, a lot responsive, and it's overall a fun car to be in now. So as I've gone with the stage 1, I've also gone with a few extras, the main one being the pops and bangs. That happens at 3000 RPM. Second gear pull. There's a pop with every gear change. Talk to you about the driving experience after the remap. So obviously before the remap at 200 brake horsepower, the car did feel a bit sluggish, and you could tell that the power wasn't there. But since I've got the remap, it's a lot more responsive, very quick. You feel the power through first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth through all the gears. It has made a lot of difference. Exhaust notes have changed, and also the induction kit. So let's talk about the fuel. Obviously when you go for a remap, they do always tell you that it's going to help the fuel, and it has. It's benefited. The only time it affects the fuel is when you're letting off your pops and bangs, or when you're being heavy footed. But besides that, I've seen a big improvement on the fuel, not only on the motorway but around town as well. So I'm going to talk to you and tell you if I've had any issues with the car since I've got the map. So the remap has been on for 2 weeks now, and I've had no issues, no dashboard lights, nothing. The only issue I am having is due to the car being a front wheel drive car, and due to obviously 270 brake horsepower. When I am launching the car, it is wheel spinning, but once it obviously gets traction and grip, the car sticks to the road. So obviously the car around town is still quiet, it's not as loud. Yeah, the power is there. Obviously you give a bit of throttle and you can feel it straight away, the quickness, how sharp it is, the response of the remap as well. I'm going to go onto the motorway and just show you how obviously the car pulls in the gears. Right, so obviously I'm going to drive it on the motorway and let you guys listen to the engine, and obviously you can see how the car feels and drives. So this is from third gear. And there's the pops and bangs on the overrun. £350 the map cost me has completely changed. So I've got a few clips for you guys of how the pops and bangs sound. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It is very loud. So enjoy, guys. Right guys, so you might be wondering who did the remap on my car. Well, they're called Dynogen and they're based in Worsley, Manchester. It's about 5 miles away from me, and their service has been second to none. The guy there called Duffy told me that this is how the map's going to be. It's going to be a custom map only for your car and my car only. So obviously it's not one of those maps where it's already being pre-written and then they just write the map into your car. The service was excellent all the way through. He guided me and talked me through it. And guys, you need to go check them out if you do want remapping. They do exhaust work as well, so go check them out. I'll leave their link in the description. If you are looking to map your vehicle, I wouldn't think twice. 110% it's worth it to map it. It transformed the car. Obviously it being a 2-litre car pushing 270 brake horsepower stage 1, excellent. I can't fault the map, I can't fault the people that did the map, and I can't fault the car. There's no problems, no issues, but just the way the car picks up, you know, every time I jump into this car now, it feels exciting. It feels I want to push more. So I would highly recommend a map for the people who do want to go and do a map. Right, so I have got some big news for you guys, and that is I am buying another car. I'm still keeping the Golf, but there's a car that I've been looking at for some time now. I'm just waiting for the right one to pop up, and I'm going to go and grab it. So yeah, hopefully if it goes through, I will be revealing the car on my next video. So guys, obviously stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. I'll see you soon, guys.